Okay, so I'm super excited because I really need to clean up before the holidays, and this little gadget here was sent for me to test out. So we are going to go ahead and open this up and see everything that comes included. This kit comes with 8 different brush heads. I actually think that I'm going to use more of them than what I'm expecting. There's a brush pretty much for everything: tiles, floors, tub grouts, grout lines, kitchen sink, rims in the shower. So being able to switch heads quickly is going to keep the whole process moving a whole lot faster and make it feel less like a chore. This little handheld device has got a dual speed option. The lower speed is going to be great for everyday cleaning, and the higher speed is going to really help with soap scum and tougher spots that usually require a lot of scrubbing by hand. I feel like this is going to get a deeper clean without having to put in much effort. The adjustable handle is pretty much what I'm most excited about. No more bending over and with the back and the neck. This is going to extend to the floor and then detach it up for close-up scrubbing in tighter areas. We're going to go ahead and set this charge up. It says to let it charge for the full 4 hours to get a full 90 minutes of cleaning time.